What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just...
Hey guys, I am fin to get ready for my first photo shoot, y'all. I'm kind of rushing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get into modeling, you guys, so I've been like networking, trying to collab with different photographers and brands as well. I'm a little out of breath, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not good when it comes to rushing, so bear with me. But I'm gonna do my foundation now because I know it's gonna be traffic. This traffic when I got off work usually takes me like 10 minutes to get home. It took me 30. So I'm gonna show you guys a little rundown. I didn't even have time to do my nails. So we're gonna put rings on. It's a last minute shoot anyway. So I have Maybelline, L'Oreal, and Wet n Wild. I use Wet n Wild because it's the light on, but I'm gonna show y'all that process. So my color match is like so horrible. I literally never, this probably matches the best, but I literally never do my makeup, y'all. I have to mix like mad different colors to get my color. It's gonna either be too orange or too light. See, this is too dark. And my skin tone never stays the same. So I'm just gonna mix. You can see that's like orange. This probably matches me the best, but it's like a pink undertone. So I'm literally going to work with what your girl got because I don't have no other makeup. I want y'all to be able to see it. And I have acne right now. It's disgusting. I usually never have acne. Like, literally. And now I'm literally PMSing. My period's about to start. Your girl got acne. My rosacea is a mess. It's just a lot going on, y'all. Like, it's just a lot. And I'm not doing my eyebrows. I literally do not know how to do makeup. Like, my sister's the makeup artist. I'm just the muse. I literally, and this is last minute again, so he doesn't have a makeup artist on set for me. Like, this was literally planned at 6 in the morning while I was on my way to work. So, sorry for the noise, you guys. I'm so close to like the window. Yeah, you guys. So, yeah. So basically, I just went to work today. Left like 3 hours early. I've just been talking to different people. I'm graduating next week, you guys, from web development, full stack web developer. It was worth it, you know. It's definitely gave me discipline, and I don't know, like, it opened my eyes to something. Like, I didn't realize I would ever go back to school because school was not for me. Like, middle school, high school, none of that was for me. And I knew I didn't want to go to college. So 4 years later, I decided to go to a boot camp school for coding, and it was worth it. You know, I didn't know I had that in me because your girl was going to go to nail school. I still am, but I'm actually going to cosmetology school, not just nails, because I did more research. And if I want to open up a salon, I need to have my full license and hours for that. Oops, see, this is why I have wipes, so I'm going to get that, y'all. Don't, like, mind your business. But, do y'all ever make ugly ass faces when you put your mascara on? I'm so messy. Thank God I don't need makeup. Not to be one of those, but like, bitch, thank God I don't need makeup. Fuck. Oh my God. Y'all, help. How do you do makeup? Like, I literally can do everything. Cook, hair, nails, sing. I could do everything a woman should be able to do. But the girlier things, you couldn't pay me to act like I know what the I'm doing right now. I don't know if any of these shades are I don't know. My concealer is the same complexion as me. Isn't it supposed to be lighter? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Ooh. I FaceTime my sister to like show her what I'm doing and she guide me. She's just like I did my whole face and then I brushed my teeth after. She's just like, I'm done. And I'm like, I'm fucking done too. Oh God. And it's like wet because I washed it. Or should I feel like he should be able to just edit the bullshit I just did. And I was gonna bring my palette, my Morphe. I remember this being like $30 when I bought it. $30 not well spent because I probably used 2 out of these in like a matter of 6 years. I'm supposed to bake. We're baking now. Oh. This is why I put black on, because I was not fucking up. I had brought a couple, I'm bringing up a couple fits. Oh, this is super fucking messy to be like.
In blue and purple. Is that affecting you at
Hey guys, I know I haven't been talking, but your girl is working and I look good. I look good. So just keep watching, even though it's dark. Record like an outro, cause like I'm not new to this YouTube stuff, but it's definitely been like 6 years. So I'm home now. I'm just taking off my makeup. The pictures came out really good, you guys. Like when they're edited, I'm gonna obviously showcase that, but they came out way better than I expected. I'm super photogenic, you guys. Like, I did not know how photogenic I was until I got in front of that camera, and I was like, I just don't know how to pose. I wish I just don't know how to pose. Just playing around with it after a while, son. That shit was good, son. It was really good. Word of mother. It was really good. And now I'm gonna. Mind y'all, I just missed class for this shoot. Like I have 30 minutes left, but I'm not gonna join it. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I have to wash my face. I have to walk the dog. I'm gonna do a product shoot. If you guys don't know, I have a lip gloss brand. Pow, always on deck. My lips was glistening in the pictures because of my gloss by me. Hang on, y'all. My friend is calling me. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, like every single video, and bye. I'll be back with more.
What do you think my brain is made for?